components of business reporting system, common characteristics we have it. Okay, OLTP. As I told you, what is OLTP? In OLTP, the online transaction processing. It can be ERP, point of sale, supply chain management, RFID, Sensors, web, etc. Okay. As we also know that data supply, high volume, big data, high variety and velocity, extract, transform, and load, or their data storage, business logic, and publication medium, how you publish your reports, and assurance. Assurance means the security of the reports over there.